That's good quality video.
Better be. It's a spare camera for the Mars rover.
How do you get your hands on that?
$1 million camera, $10 lock.
Oh my God, here he comes. This is it.
What the hell is that thing?
I don't know.
This is Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Experimental log. Wormhole generator, test 44.
Wormhole generator test.
The first 43 parallel universes I've checked proved to be empty. I see no reason to suspect universe number 44 will be any different. I found your webcam and replaced the video feed. You two should be ashamed of yourselves.